Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, so awkward. So today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer in, I got the shade medium. It's launched literally like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I'm literally just going to be trying it out, telling you a bit about it and seeing how it wears. This is actually the makeup look that I also done in the video that you'll see in a minute. Just like an everyday, okay, my everyday sort of makeup. I am wearing the bronzer, but you'll have to see, wait, what? You'll have to watch the video to see if it's worth the pee. Yeah, wow, annoying. If you want to see if it's worth it, then please keep on watching, but let's jump right into it. Yo, that is super zoomed in. How do I zoom out? Ugh. Is that okay? I don't know. Right, let's go. So, if I didn't say in the intro, which I imagine I bloody did, today I'm going to be trying out the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer. I really wanted to use this yesterday and I literally had to stop myself because I opened it and it is just stunning. So I got this shade, medium moyenne. Don't know if you can see that. Focus. Yeah, so please excuse it if like the video is a bit all over the place today. I'm using a camera. I've never used a camera before. So it's just sort of trial and error, and I keep looking into the viewfinder and it's really annoying, and now I get it when people say, oh my god, I keep looking into the viewfinder. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like. By the way, the packaging is absolutely massive. Like, it is literally huge. So it comes in the classic Charlotte Tilbury packaging. It just says airbrush bronzer, refillable, rechargeable, a matte bronzing filter for face and body, and then French maybe, for the most gorgeous sun-kissed bronze skin. Buff onto the skin. Right, okay, let's just get it out and stop talking. Okay. So, this, I don't know if you can see, is the packaging that it comes in, and can we just, I mean, I don't really expect anything less from Charlotte Tilbury because their stuff is unreal, but as you can see, it's in a beautiful, like, rose gold, chrome, maybe? I don't know. I'm not very good at describing. So it's like the, oh, what's it called? Like the powder. Oh, it's gone a bit dark on the camera. I don't know. I'll try and find it, but I do have it. Oh, here. So what's this called? The Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. So it's sort of like similar packaging. But yeah, this is just like, wow, can we just take a minute? I'm going to open it up. Oh my god, it's gone really dark in here. Just going to open it up a bit. So yeah, shut up Chisney. Ready, steady. Oh my god. It is just so stunning. Like, I can't even cope with how stunning it is. It looks so expensive. I mean, it kind of was, but oh, it's just huge. And it comes with like a massive mirror, which is obviously really handy. Trying to see. So, leg up. So I'm going to start with my skin. I was literally just going to do a review like purely on the bronzer, just do my base and everything off camera, but I thought that's a bit boring, so I'm going to do my skin and everything. I've already just done my brows and applied a little bit of eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm just going to start with the skin. So first thing I'm going to take is the Fenty, I don't know what this calls, Fenty Beauty Body Lava. This is in Who Needs Clothes. So I don't really, I'm trying to do my best with the camera. But I'm just going to take a couple of pumps on the back of my hand of that with a Spectrum C03 airbrush, and I'm just going to, oh, it smells so nice, like I can't even with the smell. This lighting is so bad, I'm so sorry. Adjust the lighting as much as I possibly can, but it's just bad. Until I get like a proper lighting and everything like that, we're just gonna have to go with it, okay? So I've applied that Fenty Beauty. I'm now gonna go in with the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. This is in Original. I'm just gonna do a little I actually ordered a new foundation and concealer yesterday. I've already tried the concealer and I love it already. But I bought the foundation, and that is the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced. I got the shade Warm Beige, and the concealer I got Porcelain. I love the concealer, like love. And I tried the foundation yesterday, and oh my god. I've been basically looking for a foundation like this for my whole life, and let me just show you, because it just looks so good. Like, I can't even deal with the goodness of it. It's that good. Do you know what I mean? This is the M439. Which looks like this. Super nice bottle. I can't believe, by the way, I've never tried it. Like, what am I? Right, just took a couple of pumps of that on. Oh, the lighting! I can't with the lighting right now. So I've taken that on my hand, and I'm just going to start buffing that into the skin. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I can't even deal with how annoying this lighting is. Like, can you not? What the hell was that noise? Hello? Do you ever do that in your own house and then like think, what would I actually do if someone replied? Same. It keeps changing, like, so when I'm not recording it's literally fine, and then when I record it just goes like tits up. But I'm hoping it's a bit better either way. I can't really do anything right now. So I just pressed all that foundation into the skin with my brush, and I also went in with my damp beauty blender, which I've just lost. Anything else want to go wrong today? Seriously, where the hell should I put that? Because I need that like now. I just don't even care at this point. I've lost my beauty blender, and I've literally just pulled everything out and I cannot find it anywhere. So I've just grabbed another one because, like, wow. This is just a shit show. And my foundation, it does look really warm in the camera. It is quite warm actually, to be fair, but as I said before, it's matching my fake tan. So next I'm going to take the Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Porcelain. I don't want nothing, oh, I'm not even going to say it. I don't want nothing too heavy today, because I apply loads of concealer like so. How hydrating this concealer is, like, and it's so full coverage at the same time. I do want to try the, is it the Laura Mercier, I don't know what it's called, I just know it's Laura Mercier concealer. But this concealer, it is, look, I mean, look, come on, that is just stan, if I do say so myself. Oh, I'm going to take, get me out of focus, this Jeffree Star Magic Concealer in C23. I rarely use anything else, to be quite honest with you. No. So yeah, that's literally going to be it, I think. And anyway, shut up. I'm going to take my Maybelline matte maker. I'm literally just showing you. So, Charlotte Tilbury, what are you saying? I'm scared. I'm really scared. Okay, so I don't really know what sort of brush to take this on. I don't know if I really need to sneeze. It's not coming out. What it says about it, because I think that's what you're meant to do nowadays. That's what people want to know. This sneeze is stuck. Here we go. So it was £39. I've just got it up on the Cult Beauty website. Oh, I really need to sneeze. Okay, so I've just got it up on the Cult Beauty website. It says, right, this powder is infused with hyaluronic acid and fine as air pigments to blur the look of pores and cast a silken sun-soaked veil over your skin. This butter bronzer diffuses effortlessly for a natural looking matte finish that could be built from a wash of warm colour to contour, sharpening and definition. Available in fair, medium, tan and deep. Oh, it's an airbrush bronzer, comes in. Okay. Just reading the reviews. Not just a gimmick, amazing. It's me, £39 on Cult Beauty. So I'm just going to shut up and I'm just going to see how we go. So I'm just going to take it. I think I'm going to take it on a Morphe E4 brush, which looks like this. Just as good. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I don't know how much to take. So I never really swipe, I sort of press it into the skin. I'm not gonna lie, I actually can't see. Ooh. Okay. It looks absolutely beautiful. Just gonna, oh my god, I'm sweating. It's literally 25 degrees right now in England and I've got a ring light above my head. I've got all the windows shut because the dustbin men are just so noisy. Oh my god, I've done it again. Okay, so far, oh, turn that off, that's a bit rude. Whoa. What it? Looks like. Okay, I think that's a bit too far. And I can see that on my forehead, it's just like a bit of a filter, I'm not gonna lie. I really love that. Really like it. I don't really know what else to say, like, it's beaut. Okay, so I hope this is like working. My camera literally just cut out and said it was overheating. I mean, it's been on for like 10 minutes, but no worries. So I actually went ahead and applied some lashes. These are, I don't know where they've gone. Oh, here they are. These are from Holly Boon's brand, HMB Cosmetics. They come in a little thing like this, and they are in the style Is a Vibe, because they're a vibe. So yeah, I'm just going to finish off the skin and I'll tell you my final thoughts. But for lips, I'm going to be going in with the NYX lip liner. This is in Nude Truffle. Yeah. A really dark lip today. I want to go for like a really dark lip, so I think I'm just going to take this. Is this the one? There's not really anything in it, but we're going to try. This little mini Jeffree Star liquid. Where did you go? Is it a liquid lip? I don't know. This is in Posh Spice. I don't know if I'm feeling that. It's a bit too cool toned. I wanted it something a bit more warm. I don't know about that, you know. God. Oh, I don't actually know what lip I just used. I use Androgyny, and this little cuteness right here. And then in the middle of my lip, I just went in with a bit of Celebrity Skin. So it's just these two. Just a little one. Unpin my hair. Wait for that to dry first. Right, so final thoughts on the Charlotte Tilbury, what's it called again? Airbrush bronzer. I really like it. To be honest, I pay £40 just for the packaging alone because I just think it's absolutely beautiful. It's just so classy and just, oh, and it's big and it's sturdy as well. But yeah, 100% if you don't mind spending £40 on a bronzer, then would 100% recommend it. I think it's just like beaut. Honestly, it's really nice. It's not gone patchy, it's not too dry, it's not too shiny. It's just in the middle of perfectness, to be honest. Hope you can see it on camera. There's done. Oh, God, I sound really like nasally, like I'm talking like this. Stop. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also let me know down below. Oh, I'm annoying. What sort of videos you want to see. If you want to see like a certain makeup tutorial, review, anything like a haul, like a PLT haul, anything like that. Yeah, just let me know down below. And I'll see you in my next video.